Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and welcome to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started, and all times are Eastern Time. All right, there's no trade rooms on Monday. It's Memorial Day holiday in the U.S. We'll start in the trade room 9:30 on Tuesday for CB Consumer Confidence. That's one of our free streams of the week, and it's a family money trade. 9:30 p.m. we'll just be watching the Australia monthly CPI report. We like to trade the quarterly version of this report as it moves the market much more than the monthly. Wednesday at 12:30 we'll be in the trade room, 7-year bond auction. That's 12:30 in the afternoon. That's another one of our free YouTube streams of the week. Then at 1:30 we'll be in the room again for the beige book, and 4 p.m. on Wednesday for the API crude oil stock report. That's a family money trade. It's been upgraded. 9:30 p.m. we'll be watching the Australia private capital expenditure report. No trade room, as that report has not moved the market in quite a long time. It used to be very impactful, so we still keep an eye on it. Thursday at 3 a.m. there's the Swiss GDP, a quarterly report, and the European version of the Spanish flash CPI year-over-year report. Keeping an eye on both of those to see if they move the market. We'll be in the room Thursday at 8 a.m. for our first trade room on Thursday for preliminary GDP with unemployment claims. Then back in the room at 9:45 for pending home sales, natural gas storage, and crude oil inventories. Back at 3:30 p.m. for Marvell and Dell earnings, and then 9:15 p.m. for Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing PMI. Friday morning at 5 a.m. the European core CPI flash estimate is a watching report, no trade room. We'll just keep an eye on it. Our first trade room on Friday and our final YouTube free stream of the week will be the core PCE price index report at 8 a.m. along with Canada GDP, and then we'll finish out the week at 9:15 a.m. with Chicago PMI, another family money trade. So thanks very much for watching. If you're not currently a 10-Minute Trades member, you can sign up right off of this sheet, www.jovbsoftware.com. We'd love to have you in the trade room as a member. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. I'll see you soon. Take care.